Nestled in the rolling hills of Portland's Hillsdale neighborhood, the tripod house emphasizes its wooded surroundings through the use of glass thresholds and stunning outdoor living spaces. The main spaces of the house offer large, south-facing picture windows, providing views of greenery both on-site and of Portland's West Hills beyond. Here's a look at the plan. The home's neutral material palette, in tandem with these large openings and windows, floods the space with natural light and allows the surrounding natural beauty to serve as the color and artwork for the space. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.